Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my all new Gshock watch with Solor technology. Let's open this. Here we have a bill, a warranty card and a user manual. Let's go further guys. This is a watch box, I guess. We can expect a watch inside this. Let's open this. That's right. This is a watch, I guess. Yeah, this is a watch. Let's unwrap this. Wow, it looks really beautiful and premium, and it feels premium. Let's use this, and I'll post an honest review about it. Okay, let's see how it fits on my wrist. It fits well, I guess. Thanks for watching guys. Do like the video. Thank you.